This is Joe from YoChicago.com. I'm headed to the Greektown neighborhood in the Hot West Loop, to a location that's close to restaurants, nightlife, Mariano's Grocery, public transit, and the UIC campus, for a walk through one of the apartments at the pet-friendly Arkadia. I'm at apartment 3208, looking out over the West Loop toward what will be a great view of the sunset and the occasional storm rolling in from the west. Turning into the open plan living, dining, kitchen area. Look at high ceilings, plank flooring extending throughout the apartment. Some sills to set your plants to soak up that afternoon sun. And roller blinds. So breakfast bar peninsula in the kitchen. We have white dappled quartz counters, contrasting white and dark stained upper and lower cabinetry. Tile backsplash, 4-burner gas range, built-in microwave and dishwasher. Upper cabinets are 42 inches for additional storage. You have both dome and track lighting in the kitchen. Side-by-side refrigerator freezer with ice and water in the door. Very appealing kitchen for a studio. Good cabinet and counter space. Back toward the front entry door. Behind the louvered door, a full-size stacked washer dryer. And opposite that you have the bath. White marble veined tile on the floor. It's a tub shower combination, framed by white tile, and looking at a nice sized vanity. Studio has a walk-in closet with 2 levels of shelving and hanging space and space for additional storage. Arkadia has a walk-to-everything location, very attractive suite of amenities, variety of apartment layouts, all with upscale finishes. It warrants a spot on your must-see list. Head to the building's website to see floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.